What's up, guys? It's Friday, July 7th, and where are we at today? Yankee Stadium! Hey, thank you. All right. Oh yeah. Delta and the Yankees, two of my favorite things. To the nosebleeds! We're in section 104, which is the judge's chambers. Aaron Judge is right here in right field. Today he's gonna hit his 30th home run. He's gonna break the record for the most home runs by any rookie as a Yankee. Come on! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my heart! In case you couldn't see the number on the wall, he hit that 400 feet.
Can't see
Aaron Judge.
Rain coming down now. I'm still playing. Go Steven! It's coming down hard now. Let's wear pants to be in the upper deck. We got towels though, just in case we get a little wet. Yeah, let's play ball! Coming through. Now they're gonna call it. We'll be right back. I see clear skies out there. 3-2 pitch, 2 outs. In case you didn't get that, that was Aaron Judge's 30th home run as a rookie, which beats Joe DiMaggio. It's the most rookie home runs as a Yankee ever. Ever. Yes. Always root for the 4. Yes! It's tradition. Bases loaded. 2 outs. coming down again. Everybody's calling it quits. Stadium is emptying out. Bottom of the ninth, we're down by 5. We got this. Yes! Yes! No! Gardner, you got this. Stellar performance tonight. Ah, 0 for 4, 3-2 pitch, 2 outs. We got this, Headley. Yes! Yes! Come on, Judge! All right, Judge. Got another 3-2 pitch. 2 outs. Bottom of the ninth. Let's be amazing. Oh, that's less than amazing. Sad. Sad day for the Yankees, but a great day for Aaron Judge. A lot of fun to be a part of that. I will see you tomorrow from another adventure here in New York City. Bye.